And we're back to learning Illustrator and here day 170. Let me show you what the symbol Scruncher tool is for. To use it, we first have to use the spray tool and we have to select the symbol first. I use the magnifying glass here and then you simply left click and hold. These symbols will be automatically generated. And by the way, if you can't find the symbols menu, go to Window and click on it. Let me use the second tool here, which is the symbol shifter tool, to reposition it a little bit. And if I now use the Scruncher tool, you can see this kind of pulls them back in. And I can also hold Alt, which pushes them to the outside. Let me create another symbol group, maybe something like this, and I keep it as a circle. Now I use the Scruncher, I hold Alt and I left click on it, and you can see how this gets pushed further away from the center position. And if I release Alt and left click, this gets pulled into this center position. So you could almost call that a magnet tool. Depending on if you hold Alt or release it, it's gonna pull everything to the center or it's gonna push it outwards. And this is how you can use the symbol Scruncher tool in Illustrator. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.